Biotech Trail Europe 24. We started Bite24 at BioBizz Hub in Balk, Northern Netherlands. There, Pax and Pax Biomaterials are conducting research on producing biogas and biodegradable plastics from wastewater.
Actually, the lab of the BioBizz Hub, that's a place where we host startup companies and they can do their own research here. We do also application research for our clients and we also develop new technologies. What we do for clients is typically making biogas out of wastewater. So we test their wastewater, whether it's toxic, whether we can make gas out of it and how much. We use natural occurring organisms, so bacteria. They convert organics into biogas. And we would like to know, for instance, how fast can they do that? So what loading rates can we apply? How much gas comes out? Is the process running well, or do we have toxicity issues? We are looking into making bioflocculants also out of wastewater. Yes. So not gas, but a flocculant. That is our future, maybe for 5 or 10 years from now. So that we could have, let's say, another spin-off from Pax, making another product out of wastewater.
I'm standing here in front of a test installation for the production of biopolymers from organic waste. We make PHA, polyhydroxycanoates, and we do this with bacteria. And basically we feed them the waste so they get really fat, and this bacterial type of fat we call PHA. You can harvest that from the cells and you can use it like a normal plastic, but with the major difference that it's superiorly biodegradable. We use waste streams that can be industrial wastewater, but also solid organic waste and even wastewater sludges. Our process has two sides. We have an upstream side where we grow the bacteria and a downstream side where we extract the PHA from the bacterial cells. On the upstream side, we are working on our first full-scale facility at the moment. We're in the engineering phase. And on the downstream side, we are now building our demonstration plant, which will be operational towards the end of this year. Upstream facility will be at a paper factory in the north of the Netherlands. First downstream facility, once we scale it up to full scale, will also be in the north of the Netherlands at the GTEC site in Emmen. Once we build these both full scale, we want to expand further, of course. First few plants will probably be in Europe. After that, we'd like to expand globally. We're working with multiple companies around the world and hope to start a movement with the PHAs from waste. It's the future, for sure.